The secret.
Secret place.
The heart of Baltistan.
Heart of Pakistan, Kharkhocha. Assalamu alaikum. Do you like this group?
Yes, very much already. Can I take picture? No? We're in Skardu, looking for some food. We just exchanged some dollars into rupees and bought some gas for the stove, and yeah, now it's food time.
Very peaceful.
And our insane chauffeur. And our insane chauffeur. Base camp is up there, but we have to go up there and then cross in. Here's yak ox. And now my backpack, and just the top of that is Nanga Parbat. So that means we are in 4,100 meters. We carried everything. We have food for the next few days. We can stay here if we want. we're definitely camping. We've been through, like, started in sun, like I said, then totally rain, like heavy rain. Now it's snowing. Now we're putting up our tent, and then making some tea, and then we're gonna chill in the tent till tomorrow. I'm so tired. Epic. Holy shit. Is that where we're going? To the main market?
Yes, this is the main market.
Ah,
We are
okay.
going.
This is the main street?
Yeah, main street of Bazaar, Yadgar Chowk, and we are down towards Polo Ground.
Okay. Woo! So beautiful, so hard, and funny enough, absolutely no littering, no garbage, no nothing. Just us, me and my buddy in the mountains. Holy shit, so hot. deep in the northern Pakistan mountains. The dogma of the trip was to talk to the locals and try to get the best route where there was the best hiking, non-touristing. So we've been walking this Basu gletcher, which is mostly for the locals herding their sheep and stuff up in the mountains to grass during the summer. And we've been following their instructions and footprints, intuition, and stonemen and sheep poop. And that's it. No map, no compass, no nothing. We have a compass just in case, but we haven't used it yet. It's awesome. 4 days in. This is 6 peaks above 7,000 meters. And that's the Batur Glacier. I'm deep into the Pakistan mountains. It's pretty insane, but really beautiful. We slept there last night, and it's my birthday today. 12th of June